Good afternoon, everybody. It has been a while since I posted, and I kind of wanted to give an update, an unedited update on what's been going on, because in a moment you'll see that been doing some stuff. I haven't done my trip to Port Macquarie because I can't edit it. I'm having a very hard time using the Adobe Premiere Pro. It updated again and I don't know how to use it properly. Didn't know how to use it in the first place, but I managed, and now it's all changed again. And the van, well, there it is. Because the wood was starting to buckle. So that's what it looks like now inside the van. Let's go have a look. So, as you see, it has been dismantled apart from the bed, the back and the power box. That's all that was insulation, and that is not proper insulation. So that stuff just there, that was on there, and he got bits missing. It was a mess. So if you're gonna buy me a coffee to fix this up, that'll be greatly appreciated. But yeah, guys, I am starting from scratch on the van, and yeah, so but that's the progress of the van at the moment. I am sorry that I haven't done any videos on my trip, like I said, because, well, I don't know how to do the Premiere Pro. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with that sort of stuff, so I practically try and stay away from it. I will get to uploading again, but I need to find an easier program to use to edit my videos, because like I said, I'm not tech savvy. Oh, I am tech savvy, I just don't know how to use that stuff. So bear with me with my new followers and stuff like that. I will get a new video up eventually. Happy New Year to all. 2024 is hopefully going to be a better one. I'm wanting to do some more videos on my van now that I'm fully doing a renovation on it. I've got a mate up the road who's helping me do that as well. So yeah, fingers crossed, and let's hope the renovation is a success. Well, it will be, but it's just going to take time because I hardly have the coin. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If anyone's bought me a coffee, thank you very much. And yeah, bear with me, and I will get them videos up of Port Macquarie, the koalas and stuff like that, and yeah, we'll get that happening. Cheers, guys.